Hello, this is Retro Plus, and today I'm going to be unboxing my gift from YouTube. This was sent to me because I was selected for the High Five for You program, which is like this thing that YouTube was doing, and they randomly selected a few creators to receive gifts, like free food and some other stuff like tickets to events. So this should be a YouTube play button. It's like a kind of like a Lego set. So it's my first time opening it. Okay, there's the bricks. There's a leaflet. Oh wow, there you go. High Five program. Hashtag YouTube High Five. Enjoy building your YouTube brick kit. Let's know how long it takes. Oh, sure will. Oh, it's very Lego-y. Yeah, that's cool. So, time to build it. So there it is, I have finished building the YouTube play button kit. It's pretty cool, looks very nice. I'll be putting that proudly on my shelf. And it took me about 25 minutes roughly, so not too frustrating. Thank you very much YouTube, and thank you for watching. There's a good thumbnail.